clean or replace a external hand tool jet, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Undo both of the screws in the retaining plate. Remove them. Remove the retaining plate and then remove the spray jet. Please note there is an O-ring on the inside that you need to take care not to lose. Remove the O-ring. If you're just cleaning, use a soft brush, cross the end of the spray jet and just around the inside, and then blow it out to make sure it's clear, and then you can look right through the middle and you should be able to see daylight. Then attach the hand tool back onto the machine and pull the trigger to allow some water to come through to remove any debris that might be inside. To reassemble, make sure the O-ring is seated properly in the base of the spray jet. Put the retaining plate over the top and then pop that down into place. And put in both the spray jet retaining screws. Just start them, don't do it up fully. And then tighten the screws equally so that the plates level between the two plates. Before you tighten it fully, make sure the spray jet is parallel with the hand tool head, and just finally finish tightening up. You're now ready to attach it to the machine and make sure that it sprays correctly before you go on to the next job.